Hello everyone. You have all been given an assignment for your sociology course, which is will involve give a presentation to the rest of the group. And so today I'm going to be giving you a few tips on how to prepare your presentation. This should help you with your current assignment, but a lot of the principles I will be putting accord will be general principle, which is will of course help you with all your future presentation. So first of all, the most important thing to consider issue audience, and in this intent your audience are the other students in your group. There are third point to bear in mind. Firstly, you need to ask yourself what they need to know. Second, it's useful to consider whether they will be supportive or not. Mm, and thirdly, will it be a small group? Say there's or for a moderator gathering of 20 or so people as for your currently assignment. Or will there be hundreds of people? Pause. Having said all that, what I'm about to tell you will appeal equally to any audience. So, how do you structure your presentation? Right at the beginning, you should tell them something that forces them to pay attention. This could be a something surprise of even shocking, but it needs to be relevant. After that, you need a list of item or topic showing them what you will be covering, rather like an agenda, and then the main part of the presentation will follow. This main part will be the deadline information you will be presenting and could include fact, statistic, personal experience, age, etc. After this, you should summarize what you have presented and close with what I call next step. For this assignment, you could simply point the group to other sociology reference. You could simply point the group. Many may want to suggest some action to that people can like know. What about the design of the slide for your laptop? And well, the important that here is to be consistent. You need to have the same type of font and use the same color and size for the same elements. For example, all header need to be the same, all button point need to be front of some way, and don't just stick toward bring the presentation to live by edit graphic. There could be several from such a picture, follow chat, diagram, histogram, and so on. And so let's move on now to presenting. You have your presentation paper and you're really to start. Well, it's important to give a good inference for the start. So take 3 the deep breath. Look at the audience, no matter how frightening they may be, and be enthusiastic and energetic as your group. The presentation remember to prove some farting in words you speak. So, for example, you can start fighting writing in information that may be familiar, but the slow down for more unfamiliar section and change your tone as you speak. Don't keep in all the same.